First day of the stage, we got an engine problem. We hit a particular point, and that point hit the sump, and that sump has affected the engine, the circulation of oil. Of course, it has affected our position overall because we were third on the championship, and as it stood, our competitors had actually also some had got problems, some were also not very high in the standings. So we had a chance to lead the championship after this event, but as luck would have it, this is what has befallen.